Hello, my name is Luke Raftis, and I'm the Manager of Utilities Research at Sustainalytics. Today I'll be speaking about emissions, effluents, and waste, one of the 20 material ESG issues, or MEIs, in the risk rating framework. Emissions, effluents, and waste deals with environmental pollution resulting from companies' operations. This can include direct emissions to air or water, land or groundwater contamination, but also waste issues. Notably, this MEI does not include greenhouse gas emissions, which have their own MEIs. While there are many cases of willful violations, including illegal dumping, most emissions, effluents, and waste issues result from shortcomings in the management of environmental risks. This includes accidental release due to inadequate maintenance, monitoring, training, oversight, preparation for extreme weather, and systems or process design. Risk associated with emissions, effluents, and waste can be highly material to companies, and costs associated with major violations can run into the millions or even billions of dollars in extreme cases. These costs include regulatory or criminal penalties, mandated remediation, lawsuits by third parties, temporary or permanent closure of sites, or opposition to new projects. There's a trend towards greater awareness and understanding of environmental issues, and regulatory enforcement is increasing globally. So the importance of environmental compliance continues to grow. So how does the Sustainalytics risk rating assessment look at this issue? We look at a number of factors, first on the exposure side, by adjusting the industry exposure to company-specific levels based on assets and operations. Then, we assess how well the company is managing this risk, using indicators related to management systems and the strengths of policies and programs, but also sector-specific indicators such as tailings management and standards for mining, as well as offshore oil well management for oil and gas companies. Finally, we look at controversies in which companies are involved, including major spills, releases, environmental violations, and other class action lawsuits, for example. However, it is possible to manage these risks to a large degree. One example we're highlighting in this backgrounder is Toray Industries, which is a company in the commodity chemicals industry, a sector with relatively high exposure to emissions, effluents, and waste. Toray has strong environmental performance in most areas, no environmental controversies, and this results in an assessment score of negligible on the overall risk for this MEI. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.